Leaders plucked out. Ellie looked out the window. Snow was coming down all over the city. The lights were out as far as she could see. "Why are all lights off?" asked her little brother Ben. "The storm made the power go out," said Mom. "That lit candles. He put them all around apartment." Ellie hung his bed. "Just think, we can pretend we live in a time before power," she said. The family played board games until the candles melted and the power was still out the next day. "What about school?" asked Ben. "The school is closed," Dad said, with a tight smile. Ellie grabbed Ben's hand. "Just think, we can spend the days doing whatever we like," she said. The family to speak his stories. In front of the friends, the power was still out the next day. "I'm cool," Ben says with a frown. Everyone looks unhappy. Ellie brought out his trekking coat. "The blankets, just things. We can wear our favorite coats all at the same time," she said. The family squeezed into as much clothing as possible. Suddenly, all of the lights turned on. The papa was back. The family cheered. "Just think, now everything can finally go back to the noise," Ellie said.
Good job!